pounds of ground beef with salt, pepper, a chopped onion, and about 3 cloves of garlic. I want to brown this up, and then I'm going to let it drain, and I'll see you then. Alright, I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I have browned and drained my meat, and I've sprayed a casserole dish with nonstick spray. And now to this, and you want to use a big pan, I'm adding 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and I've got a 12-ounce package of shell noodles cooking right now in my Instant Pot. You want to add 2 packages of taco seasoning, and I'm using my homemade. And you want a can of cheddar cheese soup. And you just want to cook this a little bit, warm it through for right now. Just give it a good stir. Let it warm, let that little bit of juice cook down out of your Rotel tomatoes. I believe I'll have enough to freeze, which always makes me happy. So I'm going to let that simmer for just a few minutes, and I'll be back. I'll let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add a cup of sour cream. I'll just cut my heat off. Add about a cup of cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. And just give this a good stir. Alright, I'll be back when my noodles are done. Alright, my noodles are done, and now I'm just gonna scoop them into my sauce. My meat mixture. If I had more cheese in this, I would just pour the whole thing in there. But it's pretty saucy, so I'm just gonna dip it out so I don't get so much of the water that's left in the bottom. Now I just want to dip this into my dish. Okay. Now all we want to do is cover this with cheese on top. I'm going to cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's all nice and bubbly and brown. And I'll see you then. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually got 2 casseroles from this. One to go in the freezer. Well, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Hit that bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.